Hi! Today, on this glorious day, the Sefton Dynamic Dunescapes team has been visiting the Triangle in Freshfield to see how some of the work that we did earlier in the year has progressed. We've been working with the landowner to improve the Dune Heath that's on the Triangle. So we're working to turn this, that you can see behind me, into this. So this purple plant that you can see behind us is Dune Heath. So this is one of the most threatened habitats in the UK. It is very rare and there are lots of animals on there that need it. It's very popular with the bees. You probably can't see, but at the minute it is buzzing with loads of bees on there. So we are working to improve the Dune Heath here. We're going to be getting rid of some of the brash behind me so more of this beautiful purple can grow. We'll be opening up some of the paths and clearing some of the brash, which will also help with some of the antisocial behaviour that we've had in the area. To keep up to date, if you have a look at dynamicdunescapes.co.uk, and you can also keep up to date on our social media pages, which is Facebook and Twitter, which is @SeftonDunes. Thanks. Bye.